Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can fix this problem. So here you can see it or something went wrong, please try again later. So how you can also fix it. So for fixing it, first thing just go to the settings. So just close your Instagram and just open it again, and if it doesn't help you, just go to Wi-Fi. Just open Wi-Fi, just try to turn it off and turn on again. So another thing you can try to go to mobile data or cellular data, just try to turn it off and turn on again. So also you can try to turn on airplane mode, wait a second and just turn it off. So after, just go to the general, in the general just scroll down, just tap on shutdown, slide to power off, wait a second and just power on phone again. So just simple restart your phone. And if it doesn't happen, if you still have this error, so you can also just try to update your phone. So just go to the general, in the general just open software update, and if you see here available update, just tap on download and install and wait until it was successful. Install the latest updates for your iPhone. And the latest option you can try to update your Instagram. So just go to App Store, just go to search tab, in search tab just write Instagram, and if you see here not open but update, just tap on update and wait until it will successfully install the latest updates for your Instagram. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, hit like, and goodbye.